Pati Brahmachari delivers an emotional roller coaster filled with shocking betrayals, dangerous confrontations, and heart touching family moments. The upcoming story takes an unexpected turn as Suraj finds himself standing alone against a powerful group of criminals who are willing to do anything to steal his family's ancestral land. Will Suraj be able to rescue Arvind Ji before it is too late? Or will greed destroy everything the family has struggled to protect? Stay with us until the end because today's update is packed with suspense. The episode opens with Arvind Ji continuing his peaceful campaign to protect the family's ancestral property. He firmly believes that truth always defeats lies and that justice will eventually prevail. Although many people admire his honesty and determination, there are others who see him as the biggest obstacle to their illegal plans. The criminals know that as long as Arvind Ji refuses to surrender, they cannot gain control of the valuable land. The atmosphere suddenly changes when several armed goons arrive at the protest site. Without giving anyone a chance to react, they begin attacking everyone standing in their way. Panic spreads across the area as innocent people run for safety. In the middle of the chaos, the criminals surround Arvind Ji and brutally assault him. Despite his injuries, Arvind Ji refuses to bow before them or give in to their threats. The goons forcefully drag him into a waiting vehicle and disappear before anyone can stop them. The shocking kidnapping leaves everyone terrified, and the entire family is thrown into fear and uncertainty. Meanwhile, Suraj is at home, trying to understand why these powerful people are so desperate to seize the family's property. Instead of acting emotionally, he decides to search for evidence. He carefully opens old files, legal documents, and land records, hoping to discover the truth hidden behind the dispute. After examining every document, Suraj finally uncovers a shocking revelation. The property records clearly show that the disputed land has never been legally transferred to anyone else. Every official document confirms that Arvind Ji remains the rightful owner. The entire dispute has been built upon forged paperwork, false claims, and a carefully planned conspiracy. For a moment, Suraj cannot believe what he has discovered. His anger quickly turns into determination. He realizes that the criminals failed to steal the land through legal means, so they kidnapped Arvind Ji to force him into signing fake documents. Suraj immediately vows that he will rescue his father and expose everyone involved in this dangerous conspiracy, no matter what the cost may be. At the same time, another emotional situation unfolds inside the house. Isha has been carrying heavy responsibilities for the family without thinking about her own health. She continues working despite being physically exhausted. Her determination is admirable, but her body finally reaches its limit. She suddenly collapses, leaving the family frightened and helpless. Everyone rushes to help her. The family becomes deeply worried as Isha loses consciousness. Suraj feels torn between staying beside Isha and searching for his kidnapped father. Although his heart tells him to remain with his wife, he knows that every passing minute puts Arvind Ji in greater danger. After ensuring that Isha is receiving proper care from the family, Suraj quietly leaves the house and begins his desperate search. His journey is filled with uncertainty. He questions local people, follows suspicious movements, and carefully connects every clue that comes his way. His determination never weakens because he knows that his father's life depends entirely on him. Eventually, one important clue leads Suraj toward an abandoned warehouse hidden far away from the town. The place appears silent from the outside, but Suraj senses that something terrible is happening inside. He carefully moves closer without attracting attention. As he secretly looks through a broken window, his heart sinks. Arvind G has been tied to a chair, surrounded by dangerous criminals carrying weapons. They repeatedly threaten him and demand that he sign documents transferring the valuable property to a corrupt builder. Despite the physical torture and constant threats, Arvind G refuses to sign anything. His courage only makes the criminals more furious. Unable to tolerate his father's suffering any longer, Suraj decides that waiting is no longer an option. Without caring about the risks, he storms into the warehouse. The criminals are completely shocked by his sudden arrival. What follows is one of the most intense confrontations of the series. Suraj bravely fights multiple attackers at once. Although the odds are against him, he refuses to back down. Every punch, every move, and every sacrifice reflects his love for his family and his determination to protect what rightfully belongs to them. The criminals soon realize that Suraj is far more dangerous than they had expected. Meanwhile, back at home, Isha slowly regains consciousness. As soon as she learns about Arvind G's kidnapping and Suraj's dangerous rescue mission, she refuses to remain in bed. Even though she is still physically weak, her love for her family gives her the strength to stand again. Ignoring everyone's warnings, she decides to leave the house and help Suraj. Her decision proves that true courage is not measured by physical strength but by the willingness to stand beside loved ones during their darkest moments. As the battle continues, more shocking secrets begin to emerge. Someone much more powerful appears to be controlling the entire conspiracy from behind the scenes. The kidnapping, the fake documents, the violent attacks, and every criminal action seem to be part of a much larger plan. Suraj slowly realizes that defeating a few goons will not be enough. The real mastermind is still hiding in the shadows. Now the story becomes much bigger than a simple property dispute. It transforms into a battle between truth and corruption, honesty and greed, courage and fear. Every member of the family is forced to make painful sacrifices. Arvind G refuses to compromise his principles. Suraj risks his own life to protect his father. Isha overcomes her weakness to stand beside her loved ones. Together, they prove that a united family can face even the greatest challenges. But many questions still remain unanswered. Will Suraj successfully rescue Arvind G before the criminals carry out their final plan? Will Isha arrive at the right moment and become the turning point in this dangerous battle? Who is the mysterious mastermind controlling everything from behind the scenes? And what shocking truth will be revealed once the conspiracy finally comes to light? The upcoming episodes promise emotional family drama, thrilling action, unexpected betrayals, heartbreaking sacrifices, and explosive revelations that will completely transform the story. If justice wins, the family will finally reclaim their peace and dignity. But if the villains succeed, the consequences could be devastating for everyone involved. One thing is absolutely certain. The next chapter of Pati Brahmachari will deliver some of the biggest twists the audience has seen so far. What are your predictions? Do you think Suraj will save Arvind G and expose the mastermind, or is an even bigger surprise waiting in the upcoming episodes? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another exciting update.